Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new multifunctional home gym equipment. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and actually take a look at it. So as you can see, we're building it right now. You can see all the main components coming out of the box, the carbon steel frame, the pulleys, the cables, the seat. Everything is clearly labeled and matches the step-by-step instructions in the manual. The home gym is designed to go together in about 90 minutes using basic tools, no special equipment needed. We're bolting the main frame into place first and attaching the lat pull-down station, the press arms, and then the lower pulley for the leg press. The machine doesn't come with built-in weight stack, which is intentional. Instead, it uses any standard 1-inch or 2-inch weight plates that you may already own. This helps save money and lets you choose exactly how much weight to load. I'm sliding the weight sleeves into place here and running the cables through the pulleys. The design minimizes friction so the movement stays smooth once you're actually working out. This portion gives you a full look at the build process and how all the parts fit together before you see it in action. Now that it's fully built in my garage, you can see how compact yet sturdy the frame actually is. The carbon steel frame holds up to 300 pounds of resistance, making it solid enough for strength training but still small enough to fit in a home gym space. The seat and the backrest are padded with durable material to help support your back during exercises, and the press arms are covered with thick foam grip. The lat pull down sits at the top and the chest press are in the middle, and the lower pulleys with the leg press attachment is at the bottom. Everything is within reach, so you can quickly switch between upper and lower body exercises without reconfiguring cables. Because it uses your own weights, you can start light at around 20 pounds for rehab or beginner training, or load it up to 300 pounds for heavier workouts. The layout you're seeing here makes it clear how versatile it is for chest, back, shoulders, arms, legs, and core exercises all in one station. The cables feel smooth with no jerking, and the frame stays stable on the concrete garage floor. You can adjust the weight plates instantly between exercise, which is great if more than one person is using it. The compact design means it doesn't take up much garage space but still gives a full body workout experience. You can see how easy it is to move from one exercise to another. The seat height and handle position are adjustable as well for a custom fit, and the carbon steel frame feels solid under any load. For anyone looking to create a complete workout area at home without a lot of separate machines, this one station delivers strength, endurance, and convenience all in a single footprint. So one thing that I have noticed is that it's actually smaller than it looks online, so I still have plenty of room in my garage to move around or park my car. The weight sleeves line up perfectly and the plates don't rattle once they're on. The pulleys stay surprisingly quiet even when the cables are under tension. There's no squeaking or grinding, just a smooth pull. The padding on the seat and the backrest don't slip around, and the grips don't feel sticky, which is a plus if you're using it multiple times a week. Another thing that I've noticed is the machine is stable enough that it doesn't rock or tilt, but it's still light enough to slide a little if you need to reposition it in your garage. So if you guys are looking for a new multifunctional home gym, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all could get yours. Highly recommend.